Brown in a frying pan half of chopped onion with 1 deciliter of oil. Then add 2050 grams of tomato. Cook for 15 minutes. And add a sprig of parsley, a quarter of an ounce of chocolate, and squeeze eggs previously diluted in a little water. Chop thinly a quarter of onion and soften it to the fire with oil. Chop a heart of boiled egg, the ham, the legs of the squid, and mix everything in the well with the previous onion. Clean the claws first very well, fill them with the previous prepared and hold each one's mouth with a toothpick. Saute half and thin chopped onion with 1 deciliter of oil in a Tupperware dish. Then add the cut fleece, spread one side with flour. Turn them over and pour over them the sauce. Add a handful of breadcrumbs.